Hey everybody, it's Coach Jared Snyder, and I am actually getting ready to do my workout. I'm not doing evening workouts, I'm actually doing a day workout today, which is awesome. And I have not had a video in a few days, so I just wanted to make this new video and let you know what's going on in my life. Basically, my dog had puppies, and so we've been taking care of puppies. Probably sleeping right now. There's two black ones and a yellow lab, but she's doing good. We actually was really sad we lost one yesterday. There was four. We lost one, basically came home and it was lifeless, and we tried to revive it, kind of, looked online to see if we could do anything, and we just lost it. We tried our best, but it was kind of sad for the kids, but we are getting over it and trying to help these other ones survive. So, but anyways, that's been kind of taking up some of our life right now. I also worked over the weekend, so I didn't have when I got out of work, my wife wanted to go do some stuff. Basically, I still got exercise in, but just walking and hiking. We basically went and found some geocaches, which is basically going to find your treasure in the woods. You just get your GPS, you put the coordinates that they tell you that this certain box or treasure or whatever it is, and then you just go out in the wilderness or wherever they have placed it, hidden it within that coordinates, and you go and find it. So it's just something fun that the kids love to do, finding things, with using a GPS, and we just have fun doing it as a family. Also, Portage, which is nearby us, had their booklet of coordinates and stuff. They did like their own geocaching, so we went and found all of them. They were all stickers that you could put in a booklet, and so it was kind of fun and cool. But we did get some exercise in doing that. Just went, and it was kind of a way to see all the parks that were around here, because we're still trying to learn our area that we just moved to, and just trying to get out and explore and see what's around here, and what's fun and what's nice and stuff. So, but anyways, today is Back and Biceps, and we will be putting it in here shortly. I use this app. Like, if you follow along, you already know I use this app, Beachbody on Demand, and you can see my little circle up there. I've been doing Lift 4 and Body Beast. So I've just been pushing myself as much as I can with my workouts. Yeah, so basically that's what's going on with my life right now. The puppies basically had to work. We did go to the Potawatomi Zoo in Indiana too over on Friday. It was raining, but we still did the trip. It was about an hour and a half from where we live, and I would recommend the Potawatomi Zoo to anybody because, I don't know, I had fun there. Their animals seem like they're really well taken care of. Their animals seem pretty happy over there. So if you ever have a chance and you live around the area, check out the Potawatomi Zoo in Indiana. It's in South Bend, Indiana. So, but anyways, I am going to get my workout started, so stay tuned for the workout. I hope that you guys are having a great Monday. It's time to get after it. I put in my group today, basically, number one thing for working out is never miss a Monday. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not going to miss my Monday. I'm going to get my workout in, and we're going to push harder and harder each day, and we're going to get these results. And if you guys want to join me, please check out the links I leave below for you. Also, if you're new to me, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I would love to communicate with you. Please leave any comments, questions, or whatever in the comments. I will get back with you. But anyways, I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless you all. Love you guys. And thank you for being part of my community and watching my videos. Thank you.